I'm very honored and pleased to announce Gabriel Christian. Gabriel is a Pan-Africanist, he's a lawyer, he's an author. You're welcome, you're welcome. All right, my man.
Acapella, man.
One Ethiopia.
One Ethiopia.
One Africa.
One Africa.
My brothers and sisters, my name's Gabriel Christian. I'm from an island in the Caribbean called Dominica. And I am here to say that all the Caribbean islands is with Ethiopia.
Yes.
So right now, I want you to remember the Robert Nesta Marley, Bob Marley, who was from Jamaica, and he taught us something that I want us to remember this evening. And I want you to sing with me, brothers and sisters, after three. 1, 2, 3. Get up, stand up.
Get up, stand up.
Stand up
For your right. For your right.
Get up, stand up.
Get up, stand up.
Don't give up the fight.
Don't give up the fight.
Stand up for your right.
Stand up for your right.
Don't give up the fight.
Don't give up the fight.
Ethiopia forever.
Ethiopia forever.
My brothers and sisters, Ethiopia. My brothers and sisters, when they picked an Ethiopia, they picked the wrong target.
Yes.
When they picked an Ethiopia, they picked the wrong target.
Yes.
In 1935, when Italy invaded Ethiopia,
Yes.
folks in the Caribbean, folks in the United States, folks in Canada, Africans all over the world rallied to the cause of Ethiopia. Today in 2021, conscious people, African people all over the world are rallying to Ethiopia.
Yes.
My brothers and sisters, the reality of it is, in unity, there is strength. Yes. Brother Bob Marley said it to us. He said, what a beautiful thing it would be before God and man to see the unification of all
Africa.
of all
Africa.
brothers and sisters. We know that Ethiopia was making progress. We know that the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam was revealed. Nowhere to go. We know that if Africa is to progress, Ethiopia must progress.
Yes.
We know that Ethiopia is the center of political gravity in Africa.
Yes.
We know that if Ethiopia is destroyed, all of Africa is destroyed.
Yes.
So, my brothers and sisters, I want you to do this. I want you to understand that peace is stronger than hate.
Yep.
I want you to understand that those who desire to occupy Ethiopia, they have pushed the tribal war. And our brother Bob Marley said to us, we don't want no tribal war.
No.
There is not any Tigray or Amara or Oromo. There's one Ethiopia.
Yes.
And one Ethiopia united. One Ethiopia united is one Ethiopia respected.
Yes.
One Ethiopia united is one Africa respected.
Yes.
So, brothers and sisters, I want to let you know we are going to win. And I want you to repeat after me. Unity for Ethiopia.
Unity for Ethiopia.
One Ethiopia.
One Ethiopia.
Unity for Ethiopia.
Unity for Ethiopia.
Victory for Africa.
Living for Africa.
Long live Ethiopia.
Long live Ethiopia.
Thank you very much, brothers and
Thank
sisters.
you.
Thank you, Gabriel. All right, Doctor.